Today we're considering nutrition and we're looking at it at diverse areas. Look at nutrition in animal, nutrition in plants. So we're looking at nutrition today, but then let's look at, so we're looking at biology, we'll continue with biology, and we're looking at nutrition. Nutrition, some of these important diagrams will be of great importance to us in this discussion of today. Will be of great importance to us in our discussion of today. However, let's go ahead with our discussion for this morning. Types of nutrition. We have two basic types of nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, which is majorly the type practiced by plants. They are able to produce their own food through photosynthesis with the aid of carbon dioxide and water. So they are able to synthesize their own food. And we have the second one, the heterotrophic nutrition, which is majorly the type practiced by human being and animal generally. That is obtaining nutrients from external sources. Example is consuming plants. Those that consume plant and those that consume animal, or those that consume both plant and animal. Nutritional requirements. We have the micronutrients that are needed in higher quantity, such as carbohydrates, protein, and fats. They are needed in higher quantity or greater quantity. We have the micronutrients, such as minerals and vitamins. They are needed in just a smaller or minute quantity. Water is very essential for hydration. Next is animal digestive system. We have three basic types of animal digestive system. We have the herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivorous animals are those animals that depend solely on plants. They are plant eaters. They have complex stomach, large cocoon. Example is the cow and the deer. We have the carnivorous animals. These are meat eaters. They have short digestive tracts, simple stomach. Example is the lion and the shark. We have the omnivores. These are animals that feed on both plant and animal. They have varied digestive system. Example is the human being and the bear. So they have a varied digestive system. Now, nutrition acquisition, the processes of digestion. The first one is injection, which is the consuming of food, followed by injection. Injection is the first one. Injection, which is the consuming of food, followed by digestion. Digestion is the breaking down of food into nutrients. Then we have absorption, which is the transportation of nutrients into the bloodstream. Transfer of nutrients into the bloodstream. Then we have the assimilation, which is the final stage, is the utilization of nutrients for energy and growth. That is the conversion of the nutrient into energy and growth. Let's look at nutrient functions. 1. Energy production. Some of the food material that helps in production of energy are carbohydrates and fats. Number 2, growth and repair. Those nutrients that helps in replacement of worn-out tissues and that stimulate growth are protein and vitamin. Immune functions. Those nutrients that are responsible for the performance of or keeping or preserving the immune system of the body are vitamins and minerals. Regulation of the homeostatic level of the body. Those nutrients that are responsible are the hormones, the enzymes that are responsible for the regulation and maintenance of the body homeostatic level. Example, we have the ruminant herbivores like cow, the sheep. They have 4-chambered stomach for cellulose digestion. We have the birds. They have the gizzard for grinding insects and the seed. We have the fish. They also have the gills for nutrient absorption in the water. We have the insects that use exoskeleton for protection and enzymes for digestion. Now I want to look at some illustrations, some diagrams that will help us in understanding what we're talking about. So we have the first one that gives us the major nutrients that we need. We have the carbohydrates, we have the fats, mineral, we have protein, we have vitamin and water. So that's the first one. Then we have this as well that give us the two types of nutritional system, the heterotrophic and the autotrophic type of nutrition. We have this one explain the heterotrophic nutrition. We have it as the holozoic nutrition, that is the organism that feeds by ingesting solids, organic matter, which is then digested and absorbed into the bloodstream. We have the saprophytic. This feeds on dead and decaying matters. Saprophytic. Then we have parasitism. Parasitism. These are obtained the nutrient from other living organisms. So that's on that. Then we have this as well that explain the two types of nutritional system, autotrophic and the heterotrophic type of nutrition. So we have this other one that have a classes that give a class of material that are that types of nutrients that we have. Types of nutrient that we have. This is explained here. This explained here. So types of nutrient that we have. Then we have this graph that also tell us more about the types of nutrients that we have generally. So that is on that note that what we have as nutrients and the importance of the nutrients. So those are the important diagrams that we need. So the key nutrients now are the protein. They serve as the building blocks of amino acid, vitamin A, which helps in giving us good vision and the proper function of the immune system. Calcium helps in giving us strong bones, and iron gives us helps in oxygen transportation. Then let's look at nutritional disorder. The first one is malnutrition, which is the insufficient when there's insufficient nutrients in one's diet. Obesity, due to excessive calories intake in diets, and deficiencies when some vitamin and mineral are lacking in one's nutrients. So these are some of the basic nutrients that we have. So in conclusion today, animal nutrition is crucial for survival and growth and overall health. Understanding nutritional requirements, digestive system, and nutritional function help us to appreciate the complex relationship. The assignment I want us to do this day is that 1. List the types of nutrition that you know. 2. Explain the types of nutrition that we have discussed here in this series. And number 3, what are the disorders, nutritional disorder that we have discussed? Let all this come in your comment through the comment section, so you can answer all these questions under the comment section.